Happy Friday. So let's jump into the pre-market prep for today. I'm honestly not loving anything, and there is a high probability I won't take any trades, but my job as a trader is to show up every single day and see what opportunity presents itself. But let's jump into pretty much the mindset. How am I feeling today? So I'm still feeling pretty sore from my lower left back. Yeah, it was pretty tough at nighttime. Every time I moved in bed, it was hurting. So still have that soreness, but besides that, feeling pretty good. Woke up naturally at 4:50. I did a 120-minute work session this morning, so I pretty much reviewed almost my entire week. Pretty much the trades I took this week. I only missed one day that I wasn't able to get to. And 7 a.m. started my morning routine. 7:40 the coffee and audiobook. I did went to the porch again, but it was a gloomy day, so no sunlight. And 8 a.m. clocked in to do pretty much my prep. Set up 8 hours, very good night's sleep. Went to sleep at 8:40 and woke up naturally at 4:50. My lower back, so it's bothering me, but besides that, feeling pretty good. I felt like I really got a really nice, good night's sleep, and tire wise, I'm feeling like a 2. I'm feeling really good. The only thing is my lower back. That's about it. But let's jump into pretty much my game plan today. What I'm going to be paying attention to, more than likely, again, I won't be taking any trades today. There's a high probability I won't take any trades, but what I'm going to be paying attention to is Nvidia, AMD, and Tesla. But let's jump into the bigger time frame. So this is pretty much the reason why I'm more than likely I'm not going to be taking any trades. Look at this insane sell-off we had. It was around like 1:30 that started yesterday, but an insane sell-off. So usually when we have a sell-off like this, there's a lot of people coming in with a lot of FOMO, trying to catch something, and I feel like most of the time, not always. That's why, again, my job as a trader is to show up every single day. We see some choppy price action after a move like this, but let's see what the market presents. But an insane sell-off, so obviously I want to go with its direction to the downside. But if we actually bounce and we actually hold inside, I mean, more than likely we could just have an inside day today. But let's see what the market presents itself. But let's start off. So pretty much Tesla, the only reason I'm paying attention to Tesla, I don't have no game plan with Tesla, but the only reason is because this is one of the only stock that actually closed green yesterday. Yes, it was a nasty doji, but we closed green. Look at this insane sell-off, and we managed to close green. So I mean, I just want to pay attention to its price action and see what it says, but I'm not planning on taking 0 trades on Tesla. I got AMD. AMD, main reason is because we show some really nice weakness. Yes, the market as well, but AMD was one of those stocks that like almost double ATR, and on top of that, really nice volume. So it's looking pretty decent, but more than likely I won't be trading it just because we have some lows around this area. So where we're currently trading at, we have a whole bunch of lows. So for me to like it, I want to see above this monthly key level, which it means we actually broke below all those lows. So for me to like it, I need to see it below that. But again, more than likely I won't be trading it. But again, as a trader, my job is to show up every single day and see what opportunity presents itself. Nvidia is pretty simple. I feel like from all the 3 stocks, Nvidia could be the potential player for today that it might motivate me to log in to take a trade. And this is only if we actually make a new low, lower day. And the only reason is I'm just looking for a quick scalp. I feel like if we can actually make a new lower day, we could potentially see a move to this daily key level, which is 850.1. Very simple. But again, after that sell-off, again, I feel like there's a lot of FOMO. A lot of people are going to be trying to cash stuff. And usually we tend to see a lot of fake out days like that. But let's see what the market presents. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So starting off with Nvidia, very simple game plan. With Nvidia, I want to see us below yesterday lower day, as I said. So below yesterday lower day for a move to 850. Very simple. Looking for a quick scalp to daily key level, coming in with my scalping hat on the setup. If the setup wants to work out, high probability I won't take any trades today. This is I'm considering this to be maybe a C plus trade, but again, I'm not really loving it. Volume is lower than average. By average, I mean it's higher than Usually I like to see really nice high volume in pre-market session, but it's fairly low. It's higher than the average, but lower than what it usually does uh, when I want to see a good move. So I want to see like over a couple millions volume, and definitely not a playbook trade. Looking at AMD now, AMD, one of the things I actually like about AMD is actually it has higher than normal volume in pre-market session. So that's kind of like one of the things that's interesting to me. But very simple below monthly key level, which is this one right here, 161.81, for a move to pretty much psychological of 160. Again, high probability I won't take any. I'm not going to be trading this, but if it actually wants to set up, I don't mind taking it for a quick scalp. Playbook, no. Volume in pre-market session, high. This is actually a little bit lower than actually the NVIDIA trade, so I consider this to be a C trade. And we have a ton of lows between zone 166 and 162, so I want to be cautious, and I'm only interested if sellers are able to pretty much break those levels, break those lows, and actually hold below. And then Tesla, again, as I said, no game plan. Will only be a spectator on this stock. Volume in pre-market session lower than the average. Playbook, no. And score on this is less than a C. Actually, I should have no score because I'm not even gonna take this trade. I don't really like it. I'm just gonna be paying attention to its price action, just to see what it does. And Tesla again was one of the only stock that closed green yesterday after a nasty sell-off on the overall market. So you just want to see its price action. So very simple game plan today. Again, my mindset is like I'm not gonna take any trades, but again, my job as a trader is to show up every single day and see what the market presents. But honestly, not loving anything. But that being said, that is a pre-market game plan for April 5th.